Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Ultra and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, tap on the keypad and enter a special code which is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code you are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device, so let's tap on OK. And now let me show you another way through the settings. So let's open the settings. Here we have to tap on About Phone, which is at the top of the list. Then let's scroll down and go to Detailed Info and Specs. Scroll down again and go to Status. And right here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Of course you have to tap on it to show the exact number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.